Good morning, everybody. This is Mark, the ministry dude, coming to you from Livingston, Tennessee, on this fourth day of January 2025. I wanted to start something new this year. Every Sunday, we're going to have a sermon. So if you're out there, you need a place to go on Sunday, you don't have a church, just tune in here. I'll leave a link to our YouTube channel. You can check out the video, and we'll take it from there. We need to have more Jesus in our lives, and I'm helping promote that. So thanks for tuning in. All right, today we're going to talk about Jeremiah. God speaks to us in different places. In Jeremiah 29, 4 through 7, God tells the exiles to build houses, plant gardens, marry, raise family, and seek the peace of the city where they are living. This is not what they expected to hear. They wanted rescue, not instructions for settling in. This teaches us important truth. Being in a difficult place does not mean God has abandoned us. Sometimes God's will is not an immediate escape, but faithful living right where we are. Even in uncomfortable seasons, God is present and working. God's timing is different from ours. God makes it clear in verse 10 that the exile will last 70 years. This was a long time, longer than most of the people hearing the message would live to see. Yet God's plan was still good. We often want quick answers and instant relief. But Jeremiah 29 reminds us that God's plan unfolds over time. Waiting does not mean wasting. God uses seasons of delay to shape our character, deepen our faith, and prepare us for what's ahead. Everything takes time. Remember that. God's plans are good, even when life doesn't feel good. Jeremiah 29:11 is one of the most quoted verses in the Bible. For I know the plans I have for you, declares the Lord, plans to prosper you and not harm you, plans to give you hope and a future. This promise was spoken to people in captivity, not comfort. God was not denying their pain, but he was assuring them that pain would not have the final word. God's plans are rooted in hope, even when circumstances are hard. God invites us into a deeper relationship with him. In verses 12 and 13, God says, Then you will call on me and come and pray to me, and I will listen to you. You will seek me and find me when you seek me with all your heart. The exile was not just punishment, it was a season meant to draw God's people back to him. Often, it is in our hardest moments that our prayers become more sincere. God promises that when we truly seek him, he will be found. Restoration comes from God's faith. The chapter ends with God's promise of restoration. He reminds his people that he is faithful to his word and committed to their future. What feels like an ending is often God preparing a new beginning. And in conclusion, Jeremiah 29 teaches us that God is sovereign over every season of life. Whether we are thriving or struggling, we may not always understand where we are or why we are there, but we can trust the one who holds our future. If you are in a season of waiting, uncertainty, or hardship, remember this: God knows the plans he has for you. Keep living faithfully, keep seeking him wholeheartedly, and trust that he is working, even when you cannot yet see it. Now here's our closing prayer. Lord, help us to trust you in every season of life. Teach us to seek you fully, wait patiently, and live faithfully where you have placed us. Remind us that our hope is secure in you and that our future rests in your loving hands. Amen. Well, thanks everyone for watching today. We really appreciate you being here. And don't forget to get your heart checked, please. Your health is very important to us. We'll see you again next Sunday with another of our short sermons. Thanks for watching.